Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ghost sound effects. We will begin by exploring vocal techniques to produce chilling moans and whispers. Next, we'll uncover how everyday objects around your home can become powerful tools for creating spooky audio. Finally, we'll delve into simple digital enhancements, like adding reverb or pitch shifting, to transform your raw recordings into truly haunting soundscapes. Get ready to unleash your inner ghoul. Your voice is a powerful instrument for crafting ghostly sounds. Start by experimenting with deep, resonant moans, letting your voice drop to its lowest register. Then, try high-pitched, drawn-out wails that slowly fade away. For a truly unsettling whisper, exhale slowly and speak softly, almost without vocalizing. Don't forget to add some vocal fry or guttural growls for an extra layer of eerie texture. Practice these techniques to find your perfect spectral voice. You'd be surprised what everyday items can do. For a high-pitched shriek, simply rub an inflated balloon. To create a metallic clanking, drag a set of keys or a small chain across a hard surface. Blowing gently across the opening of an empty glass bottle can produce a deep, resonant hum, perfect for an ethereal presence. Experiment with different objects and surfaces. You might discover unique sounds that add a distinct character to your ghost effects. Once you have your raw sounds, digital tools can elevate them. Apply a generous amount of reverb to give your ghost sounds an expansive, echoing quality, as if they are in a vast, empty space. Adding a slight delay can create a trailing, ethereal effect. Pitch shifting your recordings down by 1 or 2 octaves will add significant depth and a more menacing tone. Finally, layer several different sounds together to build truly complex and terrifying ghost effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.